Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have Darshika with me. How are you doing today?
Yeah, good.
You okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's start with show me tell me question. If you can tell me, how will you know if your headlights and tail lights are working before starting any journey?
Hazard light.
Headlights and tail lights, how will you know if they are working?
Oh,
You just need to tell me. You don't have to show me. Just explain. You understand my question? No.
yeah.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आपकी जो हेड लाइट्स हैं और बैक लाइट्स हैं वो कैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि वो काम कर रही हैं किसी भी जर्नी पे जाने से पहले आप कैसे चेक करेंगी वो
This one.
दिस इज़ टेल मी क्वेश्चन इसमें सिर्फ आपने एक्सप्लेन करना है करके नहीं दिखाना सिर्फ मुझे बताना है कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपकी हेड लाइट्स गाड़ी की और टेल लाइट्स काम कर रही हैं ओके नेवर माइंड For headlight and tail lights, you will tell examiner that you will operate the switch and go around the car and check if they are working or not. Driving fault for not answering correctly. You can put your phone on silent, please.
Yes, sure.
Drive on when you're ready. And at the end of the road, we are turning right.
Okay.
So end of the road, turning right and then left, please. There is a giveaway ahead as we can see two broken lines on the road. She only observed right side and not left. When you are turning right at giveaway, you must look both sides to make sure it's safe from both sides. If you will not look at all on both or even one side, it will be serious fault. Another serious fault for turning left. This time she did look but could not judge the speed and distance of the car approaching from the right and pulled out in front of the car and the driver in that car had to brake hard to avoid an accident. Another fault for not doing effective use of mirrors for changing direction. She did change lane without looking right side mirror, which can be also serious fault in your driving test. Driving fault for no mirror signal before coming back to left lane. Driving fault for planning and awareness. Sudden brake in the last moment. At the roundabout, we are going ahead, second exit, please.
Yeah.
Serious fault for lane discipline. She tried to go in straight line in this roundabout. A car was approaching bit fast in the right lane. I had to intervene to avoid an accident. At this point, I decided to terminate the test as she have done so many faults in first couple of minutes. Now take control. You okay?
Yeah.
At the next roundabout, go left, first exit, please.
Okay.
Next roundabout, go left, first exit.
Yes. Sorry?
You're too close, you can't go more forward. You need to reverse. You okay?
Yeah. Maybe now I'll try next
Yeah,
one.
you can try next one.
Maybe reference.
Again, you're getting close to this car. Just straight your wheel, and steer the car. And relax. Take a deep breath. It's okay.
Yeah.
It happened.
Maybe reference.
It's all right. That's fine. Just relax yourself.
Yeah.
Okay? So you did quite few serious mistakes so far. So I think we should not carry on the test, and you need some more practice. Okay?
Yeah.
You happy with that? Roundabout? You remember?
Yeah.
Why you think I grabbed the steering?
Maybe I'm on middle one.
There was a car on your right lane.
Yeah.
You're about to hit that car. That's why you grabbed the steering. You already done 3-4 serious fault, 1 dangerous fault. So it's better not to continue to put yourself and other road user and myself in danger. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Alright? So let me explain you what you did wrong. So when we came out from the test center, you know where there was a giveaway line you mentioned you have seen in my video.
Yeah.
I explained that how you crossed that giveaway line. Did you observe properly?
No.
Which side did you observe?
Right.
Did you observe left?
No.
Why?
Because
I
didn't
mentioned clearly in that video people fail because of
on that line.
if you don't observe
Watch,
both
yeah.
sides, because there is a left side road as well.
Giveaway,
Traffic
yeah.
can come from left side as
Yeah.
well. So you should have watched both sides. So that was your first serious mistake. After that, when you turn left to the Stafford Road, did you notice what happened there? What was happening on your right side?
One car coming.
One car was stopped to turn right, and there was another car parked behind that car. And what was happening in the left lane? Did you notice when you move?
Someone coming. Someone stop.
A learner car was coming and he was very close,
Oh.
and he braked hard behind us. That was your second serious fault. When you overtook a bus after that, did you observe properly to the right side and signal in good time to change lane?
Sorry.
After that left turn on Stafford Road, there was a bus parked on the bus stop,
Yeah.
blocking left lane,
Yes.
and you had to change
Signal.
lane.
Yeah.
Did you check proper mirrors and signal in good time and change lane safely, or you miss your right side check?
Maybe missed.
So that was your another serious mistake. There was a traffic behind us, isn't it? So what can happen if you change lane without checking properly? What can happen? क्या हो सकता है? Someone can be in that lane. उस लेन में कोई होगा, आप देखे बगैर लेन चेंज करोगे तो क्या होगा? Accident.
Accident.
And finally, in the car park here, when we enter, you were driving in the car park. You're driving on the right side of the road. आप right side पे गाड़ी चला रही हो car park. हमारी side कौन सी होती है? Which side is our side? हम रोड पे किस साइड पे गाड़ी चलाते हैं?
Left.
लेफ्ट. यू वर ड्राइविंग राइट साइड इन द कार पार्क. जब आप यहाँ से जा रही हो, उधर से मुड़ के आई हो और आप राइट साइड पे गाड़ी चला रही हो, लेफ्ट पे नहीं चला रही.
Maybe because of car.
No, it doesn't matter. In car park, there are same rules. Whatever rules we have on the main roads, we have same rules in the car park. We drive on the left hand side, not on the right hand side. And that is the reason you are struggling to go into the bay, because you are already too close to the bay. You don't have good angle, good space to turn. And by the time you are entering the bay, you are getting too close to these cars. Both time I have to brake. Otherwise you are about to hit these cars. So this is another serious mistake. So in maneuver there are 2 or 3 serious mistakes. If we calculate, like you failed to park, that is a serious. You did not observe properly, another serious. Now you are about to hit the car, third serious. So many serious. So that's why I decided to terminate your test. You have any question?
No.
Alright. So Thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, this is a very short video. We are going to finish here. And if you want mock test, you can be in touch with me. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Thank you very much for coming.